Hi guys, so I am cleaning my room. Whatever. I have folded all my clothes and laid them all there, and then my bed is not made. But we just went through Hurricane Irma and we're in Valdosta, Georgia. Megan's in the shower, but she texted me today and said that the mall opens at 12 o'clock, so we're gonna go check out Rihanna's makeup brand. And they're not gonna be sold out because they've been closed because of the hurricane. So we're pretty happy about that. Oh, and what I'm wearing, I'm wearing my College of the Arts apron because I haven't tried it on yet. I probably look like a fool, but that's okay. And I have my hair in a bun because it's really hot. Our AC doesn't work. It hasn't worked since I think like Friday. So it's been pretty cold outside because of the hurricanes. So I'm not complaining because I'd probably have the heat on anyway. But yeah, so. And there is Megan finally. Hi Megan.
Join me, I deserve it. Nothing to be lurking. Like I like me, I like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe all in your dreams are duration. You took my heart and my keys and my vision. You took my heart, I'ma leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never think, something that you never think. Wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. Work to me, I'll be worth. Don't ever neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see. I hope that you see.
So I told Megan that I wanted ice cream, so I got, what did I get? I don't know what I got. It's kind of like Superman, rainbow cream. And Megan got cotton candy and some foundation and Rihanna's lip gloss, and she's super excited about it. And our day just got a little bit weird because my mom called me and said I have a dentist appointment tomorrow, and I live 3 hours away. So let's see how that goes. We're at Pier 1 Imports because we are fantasizing about our houses as teachers on teacher salaries once we graduate. So I got Starbucks with Megan and she's fixing her pants. We're gonna go, I don't know. Oh, that says do not enter. Okay, let me turn off this. We stopped at Atlanta Bread and I already drank all of my drink, but Megan got an ABC sandwich and I got this tomato basil bowl. It's vegetarian, and yeah, it's called Atlanta Bread. It reminds us of Panera Bread back home, so let's see if it's the same.